There were these boxes all neatly packed up like this. They were in a dumpster behind our church. Everybody's dressed in our Sunday best and we're going dumpster diving. What up, folks? This is our Puerto Rico homestead that ain't so steadin', but we trying to stead it out. We've been watching James Prigioni coming to you live from Jersey. That guy, he's been such an inspiration to us. Even though we live in Puerto Rico, he put out a video that shows like 6 or 7 phases to building a food forest. And the first thing that he says is the most important is laying your foundation, which, if you know anything about the Bible, you have to have your foundation on the rock, on solid ground, and your life will just be anchored to like that truth. And we're taking that philosophy and bringing it right here to our homestead. We've got all of this land that we bought this past summer. Well, not land, this is our house. And it had this huge backyard looking thing, and it was completely overgrown. And over there, I don't know if you can see, but those are like the tallest weeds ever. We can go for a walk and I can show you how tall they are. Okay, so I'm about 5'5". And yeah. These are super huge weeds, grass or something. And nobody feels like cutting this grass all the time and tilling it. And I got something around me. Anyways, so the hardest thing started off with how to find boxes. And we were asking neighbors and we were getting some boxes here and there and ordering stuff. But you got to get like some serious boxes, or you have to pay for the contractor paper. And we decided to go looking into the dumpsters that are behind. Oh my God. Finding dumpsters that are behind grocery stores, shopping centers, like your church. It doesn't matter. Look inside, especially in like shopping centers where they're bringing in those huge boxes in them semi trucks. They're throwing the boxes somewhere. You know, we had to find some that didn't have a lot of tape on them. And a lot of times, places in the dumpster, they don't have boxes in the dumpster. Doesn't have a lot of tape on them because they're going to be opening them very, very quickly. So this was really awesome. And that's where you can find your boxes from. So hopefully that helps and that'll inspire you. But we wanted to I just want to document this crazy journey. Hey, where y'all going? Oh, that's great. Oh my gosh. You know, you gotta watch out for them kids, because they will quit on you so fast. And next thing you know, you turn around and they're sitting up on the porch eating popsicles. And they've been on their 4th or 5th popsicle already. They just a bunch of quitters. That's all right. We're going to whip them into shape. So, Peter, how long have you been at it today? Yeah, you did a great job in 5 minutes.